Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 8 of the Lincoln Rehab. And I know what you're thinking, what happened to day number 7? Well, day number 7 would mark exactly 1 week since we've been here, since we started demolition, and that was last Friday. So today is Friday, so that's technically done day number 8. 8 days a week as the song goes. Well, we didn't record day number 7, and the reason we didn't record day number 7 because it was a quick day. So what happened on day number 7 was we did the epoxy grout. We finished the epoxy grout here in the bathroom on that tile. We had the little section there, and then we did the epoxy grout all the way through the hallway here. And as I said, it was a quick day, so I didn't end up recording it, but I did get a lot of questions about that epoxy grout. In part, you know, people were asking me if I misspoke because it's called a three-part system, but I called it a 5-part system. So the reason I called it a 5-part system is yes, there are 3 elements that you mix together in order to get the grout, but then in the package that they provide, they actually give you a first cleaning agent that you mix with water, and then they give you a final cleaning agent. And that cleaning agent is important. It's important because the epoxy leaves a very sticky residue on top of the tiles itself, and those cleaning agents break down the epoxy, and it's something you can't do with normal water like you would normally do in regular grout. And so those 2 agents combined get you to the point where we're at a finished tile right here and now. So I did take a picture of the entire setup as it's provided. So here's a shot of that. And yeah, there's just the 2 elements that you mix together. So one's an active element, one's the actual bonding element, and then you mix in the dark grout. In this case, it's a black grout that we were using, and so that comes in a powder form. And then you can see the 2 cleaning packets there on the right. And then this is just a shot of everything you need in order to grout. And you know, we've got the mixer, we've got the rags, we've got the latex gloves, and those are very important just because this epoxy is really hard and sticky as it goes on, and you don't want that getting on anything other than in the grout tiles themselves. So that's what we did for day number 7. Today on day number 8, what we're going to do is, now that we've got them all clean and pretty, well, now we're going to cover them up because that's how we roll here. So we're going to put down paper on all of this because we've got some touch up and we've got some plastering to do here in the closet, plus painting, and we do not want to get anything on these beautiful floors. So this is the last time we're going to see the beautiful floors, and that's why I want to do the video now. So we're going to cover them all up, then we're going to do our plaster work here in the bathroom. We've got our paint and primer to do once we finish all of our touch-up, and then we have our final paint colors, which the homeowners have picked out. So that's where we're at now. We've got through all the hard parts, and now we're putting it all back in, so that by the end of next week, by the time we get to 14 days, we said this is going to be a 2-week project. That's the only time we're going to take up the middle of the house. Well, we're going to be done. Everything's going to be in. Vanity's going to be in there in the bathroom. The toilet fixture is going to be back on. The closet doors are going to be here. And we're going to have a fresh coat of paint on all the trim to really kind of clean things up. So, end of day number 8. That's where we're at. Stay tuned for day number 9 as we start really, like I said, putting things back in. Thanks for coming along. You have any questions, please ask and I'll answer them as I get them.